another English Discovery mini video. The topic again is the simple present tense and how to use it correctly. This is the last one in the series, so let's start. You may remember that when we are talking about actions that are happening right now, it's usual to use the present progressive tense. Here is the pattern, and you can see that pattern now in the sentences. However, here we can see some comments about right now too. Only these are not about actions, they are more about feelings and conditions. So these are examples of when we will use the simple present tense for right now. But is the time element 100% clear? No. If you say, I'm tired, it could be right now, or it may be all day, or even all week. But we usually understand the meaning by the situation. And how about these two? I feel sick and I'm feeling sick. The meaning seems to be about the same, and both forms are correct. So in this case, both forms are okay. But in English, it's rather unusual to have two forms that have no difference in meaning. Well, that's all. A nice short lesson. Please like and maybe subscribe. If you want to watch the full lessons on this topic with a lot more examples and details, then here is the link you will need. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.